friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is My Blessed Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most requested item on my restaurant's menu, which is Carne Asada fries. If you want to know how I make this delicious recipe, just stay with me and let's get started. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started on our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of this beef. It's really thin. You'll need some French fries. To me, they come out better if they're frozen. You can use some onion, depending on how much onion you want. Okay, so it's not a precise amount. Some cilantro, some lime, beans. I made some homemade beans. I just mashed them up like a refried. You're gonna use some salsa con queso or chili con queso, sour cream or crema, and some guacamole. All right, let's go ahead and put this together. Before we start, what we're gonna do is preheat our oven to the directions what your fries say. This one says 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? On a parchment lined baking dish, just go ahead and put in your fries. So just make sure everything is all spread out. We'll go ahead and start on our beef. I'm just gonna put it on the flat grill like this and then we'll dice it once it's finished. All right, let's go to this stove. All right, just go ahead and pop them on the grill. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. All right, so we're just gonna put these on the grill just for a little bit. They're so paper thin. You just wanna get those char marks. It depends on how you like it. I'm gonna put this on low and then we're gonna come back here after the meat's chopped up, okay? See you in a bit. Okay, we're waiting for the oven to be preheated and we're waiting for the meat to rest. What we're gonna do is get our bean mixture. I have about 1.5 cups of beans. Now with our salsa con queso, this is on the border. You can get whatever you like or make your own. I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup of the cheese in here. Okay, we're gonna put this on our fries first. So this is how it looks. It's just gonna be a little thick, a little drippy, okay? And that's what we want. If you don't have homemade beans, just use a can, it's fine. If you want it hot, you can add some cayenne pepper in here. Okay, just depends on how hot you like it. Now our fries are ready to go in, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in for about 15 to 20 minutes, just depending on if you like your fries really crispy or not. And then we'll start to chop up the meat and I'll see you back in just a little bit. Let's go ahead and start cutting our beef. I'm gonna cut them square first, and then you can cut them this way if you want to, really thin, or you can cut them in little dice if you want, strictly up to you. There we go. All right, and this is all the juice that rendered. That's why we don't want to cut them too fast. This has cilantro, onions, and serrano peppers. I'm just gonna do half and put it in the gravy. So give this a quick toss. This is a really fast recipe. All you basically have to do is marinate your meat the night before, and I'll link the marinade down below. I just put salt, pepper, garlic powder, some Worcestershire sauce, and maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar. And I'll set this overnight. This goes on the grill just real quick like. We have our bean mixture with the cheese. We're gonna put this in the microwave for about 3 minutes before the fries are ready. And we're just gonna spoon basically everything on and you're ready. I'm gonna bring you back to the grill. All right, I put a tablespoon of oil just on the griddle so it can pick up all that deliciousness on the bottom, okay? We're just gonna put this right back on the grill with the onions and the cilantro and the juices that it rendered. That's changing that beautiful color. Now at this time, I'm gonna add some chile verde that I have. Very, very spicy. You can do this if you want to or you don't have to. Okay, and I'll link the video down below. It's the secrets of a taqueria style salsa. We're just gonna let this render down for about 3 minutes and then we're gonna take it right out, okay? Well, I'm just gonna take this right out. Go ahead and cover this up with foil and wait for the fries, and that's it. See you back in a little bit. Let's go ahead and pull the fries out. Now you want to get some cheese that'll melt like the Monterey Jack, pepper jack. I have this queso quesadilla that I love using. You're just gonna put a thin layer over the fries, or as thick as you want, it's depending on what you like. Okay? These are my husband and my son's favorites, so This is for them. And of course I have to still bite it. All right, back into the oven for 5 minutes on 425, okay? See you back in a little bit. You're gonna put your cheese and bean mixture into the microwave for about 3 minutes. Alrighty, take the fries out now. Okay, so we can just transfer this onto another little platter. All right, from here, we're gonna get our bean mixture, and it's gonna be watery, and that's exactly what we want, okay? So we're gonna get the bean mixture, and we're just gonna put it all on top. Now we're gonna do our cheese. I just heated this up in the microwave, okay? You can do as much as little as you want. See how they came out? You can mix them just so every bite will be delicious. Okay, you don't want to break your fries. Just, just have them scooch. Okay. So then you get a layer more of cheese. Now your meat. Just lay it on top. And you're gonna add your crema. On this crema, I just put some salt, I put some garlic powder, and some habanero juice. So you can do that if you want to, but it's pretty hot. Okay, so now we're gonna add our onions. He's telling you they're ready, Papa. Yeah. So now, the fun part, you're just gonna add your guacamole, your sour cream, and I forgot the chile. This is the chile secrets of a taqueria style salsa. I'll link it down below. This is amazing. And now for the best part, the taste test. Are you ready, Jojo? Salud. Jojo, we knocked this one out of the park. Out of the ballpark. It's perfect, everything. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. You're gonna absolutely love it. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, from my blessed kitchen to yours. Bye.
Y con tus labios rosados yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento